Hey, welcome to Trying Success. This is Alvin. I want to do a quick video on salt. There are several different types of salt out there. There may be more, but I just kind of want to run through a few that I found so you can do a little research on them. Some of them are really good for cooking, I found. So just to start with one, this is one called the Kosher Sea Salt. I had to write this down, y'all, because I couldn't remember it all, but it's called Kosher Sea Salt, and it looks like a red brick type salt. And then, okay, my favorite that I just discovered is this Smoky Sea Salt. It has like a smoke flavor to it. It's kind of similar to the Mystique potato chips, if you've had the Mystique flavor. So that's kind of what this tastes like. It'll probably be good on different vegetables that you want to put a little seasoning to, for those that are into plant-based but just kind of want to season your food a little bit. And of course, this is the regular table salt that we are familiar with. Here is the kosher salt. Now here's the trick about kosher salt. Kosher salt is that salt that, you know, you can see how it falls. A lot of times you'll see this on a lot of chef shows where they show you how they sprinkle it, but this is kosher salt. It's more of a crystallized type. It's a little heavier, bigger than the regular flakes of table salt. And this salt right here is called a Hawawa black sea salt, and it has like, it's supposedly made with some type of charcoal coloring. So you might want to check that out. But it's spelled Hawallan, and I'm putting all this up on the screen so you can see it. But see what it looks like? It's a little charcoal looking. Alright, and then of course, voila, we have the Himalayan Pink sea salt. Now this one is one, if I was going to pick one to tell you that were most healthiest, would probably be the Himalayan sea salt based on what I've seen. It has traces of mineral in it. It's already iodized, which a lot of people may be iodine deficient, and you need that in your body for biological functions. Amazingly enough, that's the purpose of the iodine in your salt. So you want to check that out. And those that are iodine deficient, you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's another salt called a septic salt. Didn't know there was so many different salts out there, but my favorite by all is the Himalayan Pink salt and this Smoky Sea Salt. This really actually kind of tastes pretty good. Now, the daily recommended of salt that you should have every day is 1.5 grams, I believe it is, and 1,500 milligrams. You know, it goes milligram, gram, 1.5 grams. However, I will tell you, if you know salt is not good for you, I'm not even suggesting you even try the daily recommended doses. The other thing I would tell you, most salt is found in foods like fast food, so it probably has way too much salt already in it. And you want to read the ingredients of food, packaged goods and stuff that you're buying, and see how much salt is really in it. That's the salt that really hurts you, not the fact that you have no salt on your food and you sprinkle a little bit. Sprinkling a little bit of salt is not nearly impactful to your health as it is all the salt that's in, for instance, bacon. Bacon has like a large amount of salt in it, but that's just to give you an idea. All right, thank you for watching. I'm going to put all these names, you probably see them on the bottom of the screen so you know what these salts are, and check them out. But definitely check out this smoke flavor. This is pretty good. And the Himalayan sea salt. Those are two that I kind of go with, for me, my opinion. All right, thank you for watching Trying Success. This is Alvin. Have a wonderful day.